The Course in a Box Kit is a comprehensive learning kit for IoT. Each kit will be an integrated package, in which all the components required for building the project are all packed into one box. If you haven't already bought a Course in a Box kit and would like to do so, please check out the description below. You can find information about where to buy the kits and the latest offer in the description of this video below. The main idea behind the Course in the Box series of kits is that learners should be able to understand the subject by practically doing something. All the components required for building projects is packed in one box. Along with the components, each kit provides access to a comprehensive e-learning tutorial. The tutorial has full explanation of the concepts and the procedure to build the kits. In this video, I will explain about how to get started with the Course in a Box kits. Inside the box, you will find a set of username and password for the e-learning tutorials. I will explain about the e-learning app using the mobile app. In case you prefer to use a desktop or laptop, you could access the courses using your favorite browser. However, the smartphone app has a better interface and we will use that here in this tutorial. First of all, install the Moodle app for your smartphone. You can install it either by scanning the QR code or by searching for the Moodle app in either Play Store or in App Store. After installing the app, open it. For the first time when you launch the app, it will ask you if you are a learner or a tutor. Choose Learner. Next, the app will ask you your site settings. Set this value to the following URL: https://learntm.in. Or say scan QR code and choose the following QR code. After this, the app will ask you for your username and password. The username and password will be present in the box. Use these to log in. Your e-learning dashboard should now show up. Go to My Courses. You can go to My Courses either by clicking on the Site Home tab on the top, or by clicking on the graduation hat icon in the bottom. Now select the course for which you have bought the kit. For example, if you have bought the Mega Project kit, then choose that to get started. The course flow in the app is quite intuitive and you can navigate to the sections one after the other. Each Course in Box kit with multiple projects is organized in a way such that the course is a collection of individual projects. For example, in the Mega Project kit, there are 7 sub-courses for Smart Room, Smart Kitchen, Smart Doorbell, Smart Display, Obstacle Detector, Smart Factory, and Smart Irrigation. When you navigate to any of these sub-courses, you are taken to the course for the individual project. As we navigate through the topics of the Mega Project kit, the first topic is a brief introduction about the Course in a Box kits, which is nothing else but this video itself. The next topic is titled as Smart Room using ESP8266. We have a brief explanation about the Smart Room project. Clicking on the topic heading takes you to the main page of the course for the Smart Room with ESP. The course for each kit is organized in such a way that you will be able to start working on the kit as you navigate through the course. To start with, there is an introduction about the kit. The next item in the course is a section called Components. In this section, we will first list out all the components required to build the project, in this case the Smart Room project. The tutorial will then explain about the most common components required for building the project. This section will be almost identical for all Course in a Box kits as it covers the most commonly used components. Each course will contain different types of e-learning content like descriptive pages, video tutorials, quizzes, exercises, etc. After the section about common components, the next item in the course will be an explanation about the development IDE that we will be using. We will be using the Arduino IDE as the development IDE. In this section, we will also write our first ESP8266 code to make an LED to blink. The LED blinking is equivalent to the Hello World code in software programming. The next section will cover the remaining components specific to this project. For any component, typically there will be 3 subsections. A. An overview about the component. B. A tutorial about how to connect the component to the project board. And C. A tutorial about how to write ESP8266 code for the component. After these sections have been covered, we will then have a topic for the IoT Cloud Database. In these tutorials, we will understand about the cloud database used in the kits and how to write code to send data from our kit to this cloud database. And finally, all courses will have a wiring summary and an integration module. In the wiring summary, we will do a recap of the wiring done for the project. This will serve as a verification point to check if you have done the wiring as required. In the integration section, we will combine all the learnings from the individual components that we covered previously and write full code to get the project to work. Let the fun begin. Start your course and start building IoT projects.